Hello there guys, welcome back to Storm Shelter Storm Tracking. This is going to be the first video of the 2023 severe weather season that I've done. And it's because as the day has gone on, the chance for severe weather seems to have actually increased a little bit. All day today, the big discussion has been, will the cap break? The cap is just a warm layer of air aloft that usually suppresses storm development, but in some cases it does break, and that is what we are seeing today. And actually just to the west of Oklahoma City, the cap is starting to break, and we are starting to see some storms fire up, so that has increased the chance for severe storms tonight. And as always, the severe weather ingredients today, they've always been there, and we're just waiting on the cap to see if it would break, and it looks like it may just do that. And now that it's doing that, that would make the severe weather risk even higher. But the ingredients are very favorable: high dew points, very warm temperature, a lot of instability in the air. Dew points right now middle to upper 60s, and this is going to be very favorable to get some severe weather later. As you can see, the dry line there out in western Oklahoma. Right now, dry line runs from about Enid down to about Watonga, and then out to about Altus in southwestern Oklahoma. It'll be along that line or west of that line that we see storms developing this afternoon. So the discussion right now is anywhere in the red area. That would include Oklahoma City, Norman, Chickasha, Lawton, Duncan, almost down to Ardmore, anywhere in that area, and maybe even around that area a little bit. We are watching for, right now, some storms to develop that could be severe. Main threat be large hail, but damaging winds and even tornadoes are also possible. But we just have to watch everything going on here because, like I said, we didn't expect storms. They didn't have a real great chance of developing today, but they are developing, and it looks like they will break that cap, and they may get going here real fast, and it's very unstable in this area. So this is the area we really have to watch. Once again, roughly Oklahoma City, places to the south, that's the main area where right now looks like the biggest severe threat will be. But we will have to see where it all ends up going. So, but right now, once again, anywhere in the yellow, that's the highest risk for severe weather. So once again, basically Oklahoma City, Lawton, down in the parts of northwestern Texas, and that is the area we're watching for the most. Lesser area around that. Tornado risk, once again, general area, Oklahoma City, Lawton, Chickasha, anywhere in between there. That's the area we're watching for tornadoes. Right now the chance does seem to be not just real high, but there is definitely a chance that there could be a tornado, especially as the evening goes on. The initial threat with these storms would be large hail, and then eventually could turn into a few tornadoes. So that's what we're watching today. So here's the radar, and as you can see, we're starting to see some storms develop there, and this is the concerning part. A few cells running from about, I think the one go up by Yukon down towards the H.E. Bailey Turnpike there, down about Chickasha, and also some out by Lawton. Once again, I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 or so cells developing there, and these are what we're going to have to watch because these are very unstable and they are starting to get going. So this is a big area to watch, and we will have to see what happens here. But once again, very unstable. We'll have to watch it very closely. So I'll be posting hopefully some more updates later. For now, this is all I got, and so just be weather aware because it seems like this day could be getting rapidly worse as you